Hello students, welcome to Skant classes. Today we have solved question number 4 to 6. Now question number 4 is express each of the following rational numbers in standard form. So first is minus 12 upon 30. Minus 12 upon 30. So the greatest common divisor of minus 12 and 30 is the greatest common divisor of minus 12 and 30 is 6. So minus 12 divided by 6 and 30 divided by 6. 6 2 ja 12 and 6 5 ja 30. So the standard form of minus 12 upon 30 is minus 2 upon 5. Next is minus 14 upon 49. In this, the greatest common divisor of 14 and 49 is 7. So minus 14 divided by 7 and 49 divided by 7. So 7 2 ja 14 and 7 7 ja 49. Now we get minus 2 upon 7. This is in the standard form. Next is 24 upon minus 64. So first we multiply what? Numerator and denominator. Minus 1 24 into minus 1 upon minus 64 into minus 1. So minus 24 64 minus minus plus. So minus 24 upon 64. In this, the greatest common divisor of of 24 and 64 is 8. So 24 divided by 8 upon 64 divided by 8. Now we get 8 3 ja 24 and 8 8 ja 64. Minus 3 upon 8 is the standard form of 24 upon minus 64. Next is minus 36 upon minus 63. minus 63. So माइनस से माइनस कैंसिल हो जाएगा. The greatest common divisor of 36 and 63 is 9. So 36 divided by 9 upon 63 divided by 9. 9 4 ja 36 and 9 7 ja 63. Now we get 4 upon 7. This is the standard form of 36 upon 63. Now question number 5 is, which of the two rational numbers is greater in the given pair? So first is 3 upon 8 or 0. We know that every positive rational number is greater than 0. Here 3 upon 8 is a positive rational number. So 3 upon 8 is greater than 0. Positive rational number. Next, minus 2 upon 9 or 0. Minus 2 upon 9 is a negative rational number. Negative rational number. We know that every negative rational number is less than 0. So, minus 2 upon 9 is less than 0. Next, minus 3 upon 4 और 1 upon 4 दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम है. सो वी कंपेयर ओनली न्यूमरेटर. minus 3 and 1 minus 3 and 1. Minus 3 is less than 1. So minus 3 upon 4 is less than 1 upon 4. Next, minus 5 by 7 और minus 4 by 7. डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में सेम है 7 and 7. सो वी कंपेयर ओनली न्यूमरेटर. minus 4 and minus 5 and minus 4. minus 5 is less than minus 4. So minus 5 upon 7 is less than minus 4 upon 7. Next is 2 upon 3 or 3 upon 4. We have two rational number 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. The LCM of the denominators the denominators 3 and 4 is 12. Now we solve 2 upon 3 2 into 12, 3 4 जा 12, 3 को 12 करने के लिए 3 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सो न्यूमरेटर में भी 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। 2 4 जा 8 एंड 3 4 जा 12, also 3/4, 4 को 12 करने के लिए 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सो न्यूमरेटर को भी 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। 3 3 जा 9 एंड 4 3 जा 12। फर्दर 8/12 and 9/12. 8/12 is less than 9/12. So 2/3 is less than 3/4. Next is -1/2 or -1. So we express -1 equal -1/1. So the LCM of denominators two and one is 2. Now -1/2 -1 into 2 into 1, so 1 equal -1 into 1 is -1 and 2 into 1 2. Also -1/1 equal 1 into 2. डिनोमिनेटर को 2 करने के लिए 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सो न्यूमरेटर को भी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। नाउ -1 into 2 इज -2, 1 into 2 इज 2. Further -1/2 and -2/2. So -1/2 is greater than -2/2. So -1/2 is greater than -1.